Okay, hi YouTube family and friends. Today I'm going to be making stuffed potato with beef. And I'm going to be melting my cheese. Tyler, get over here and stir this cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Do you think he's tall enough to reach?
Yeah.
No,
Get over here.
I'm short.
Stir the cheese.
Wait,
You put
I
your,
got taller. I got taller.
you put your hand on there and you just stir. Okay, Trina, go to the plate.
Guys, I got taller.
Okay, I'm going to cut the potatoes. And then I'm going to cut this one.
Tyler, pick the spoon up from the pot.
Yeah, don't make it go all the way down to the bottom of the towel.
I can't read.
Okay. You okay? I'm going to put the butter.
I don't want to burn anyone.
You're not going to burn anything.
The only person you're gonna burn is yourself.
Yep.
What?
I'm put the butter off in there. One of them I'm going to put sour cream and the other one I'm not.
Is it supposed to be like jello or something?
Yeah, keep stirring.
You will know when it starts popping at you.
And then you tell me before I start doing all that.
Or watch it. Let him get pop.
Wait, when it starts popping, what do I do?
Nothing.
You stand
Tell
there.
me, stare.
You stand there.
Better stare before you get popped.
Well, it's only one way for him to learn.
I can't.
That was more open than the other one.
It's popping, guys. It's popping like a firework.
You okay? Keep staring.
I'm scared.
You sound scared.
I don't have my lucky store.
You okay? Hurry. You got to stare fast, boy. Stare like a slow person. You're not getting all the cheese now. Okay, so I got the...
You can stop staring, Tyler.
I'm going to start staring, okay?
Pick the spoon up.
Pick the spoon up and stop dragging it.
You can still mix. Just pick it up.
Molly, can you go get the lucky store?
Yeah. So I'm going to add the sour cream because I like sour cream. Off in mine.
Okay, Mama. So earlier today, I was in Nike and I saw a girl's name. So I clicked on it and it had videos of all the boys off in our school. Like it had Jesus, it had Nathan, it had freaking Brayden, it had
So?
Jerry. I'm like, what the frick?
What they got to do with you?
No, who is it?
I don't know. Your friends at school.
No, nobody at my school has Nike.
You don't know that.
Jerry don't got lucky.
You don't know who got like it. Somebody do.
No, it's this girl. Nobody has Nike at my school.
As long as you're not that one of your brothers on there.
I do? I mean, someone do got lucky at your school. Me.
Shut up.
That's
Why we
rude.
quit being rude.
Only I can be rude.
I was being honest.
Shut up.
Hey, watch your mouth.
You did.
Language, sir.
You did it first.
Okay.
Ooh, can I have the cheese?
Stop touching. So I'm going to turn off this. And then I'm just going to start. Where's my spoon that I got? Oh, right. I'm just going to start adding the beef to the side.
You want to take my baby? It's not really very lucky.
That's weird.
I'm going to add some on top.
Wait,
Who was you talking to?
Miley.
oh, taking her teeth.
Trying to get as much juice as I possibly can off the top. meat out of it. And then I'm going to add some on the top of this one.
That looks so yummy.
Then I'm going to come back on the side and just add some on the side
That
for
looks
decor.
so yummy.
Tyler.
Start. I'm just looking at the food and it tastes so good.
I'm going to do the same thing to that one. Just add it on the sides.
Stop.
It looks so good.
And add some on the side. So this is how it should look after you finish with it. And this is my stuffed potato with beef chips. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe at the bottom. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.